Pushing code is easy. Running it reliably in production, that's the hard part. That's where DevOps comes in, and that's where Axe Alpha Tech helps you. If your team is tired of "it works on my machine" issues, broken deployments, slow releases, or constant production bugs, then you have a DevOps problem. At Axe Alpha Tech, we design and implement DevOps pipelines that make your development faster, safer, and more predictable. We help you with CI/CD pipelines, containerization, cloud infrastructure, staging and production environments, and monitoring and logging. Instead of manual deployments and guesswork, we set up repeatable, automated processes that give you confidence. Whether you're running a SaaS platform, web app, API, or microservices, our goal is always the same: make your infrastructure as reliable as your code. If you're ready to ship faster without fear, reduce downtime, and give your developers more time to build, then it's time to level up your DevOps. Contact Axe Alpha Tech today, and let's build a DevOps system that works for you.